Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into photography, video making, tech, gear review and drones, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. So around 3 years ago I became father of a couple of amazing twins, and I thought to myself, that's the end, you're never gonna play with your toys ever again. And that's not true. Since the moment they were born, I started playing with my toys, my new toys, more and more every day. And as they grow, I can't wait for the moment to share with them my passion. 3 days ago, I got a box in the mail. I knew it was something from China. I knew it was an RC model of some kind. So I unboxed it with them. All the intentions were to make them play with me, but I think they're too young. I'm gonna enjoy them for another while. Today I'm gonna show you what I consider to be a grown-up toys. I mean, it's a toy meant for kids, but grown-ups like me, people who are passionate of photography and video making, can appreciate it under a different perspective. Intro, then a short unboxing, and then we're gonna test the RC I'm talking about on the field. And then back to some consideration.
I think it's probably the 17th of August here in Brindisi. I mean, it's 30 degrees and it's the end of October. That's insane. This is a Flytec. You've seen it in the video. I had a lot of fun testing it out with the Gopro and the Insta360. Of course, it's a toy. It's a kid toy, but if you want to play around and if you love photography and video making like I do, this is a good and cheap solution. I think it's around $40. You'll find all the links in the description. It's a toy, guys, again, don't get me wrong. It's not fast as I was expecting, fast enough to have fun. I think the battery lasted not more than 20 minutes and then it turned out dead, but what can you expect from a $40 toy? Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this small review, more than a fun day. Smash the like button if you did, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'm gonna go have a shower because it's crazy hot. See you next time.